Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent automatic downloads for audio on WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to manage your media settings and save precious storage space. If you've been frustrated by unwanted audio files cluttering up your device, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps to take control of your WhatsApp audio downloads. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen. Next, look to the left side of the interface. You'll notice a menu with various options. Find and click on the Settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cog. In the Settings menu, you'll see several categories. We're interested in the Chats section, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Chat settings, look for an option called Media Auto Download. This is where the magic happens. Click on Media Auto Download to expand the options. You'll see different types of media listed here, including photos, videos, and of course, audio. To prevent automatic downloads for audio files, simply uncheck the box next to Audio. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic downloads for audio on WhatsApp Web. From now on, when someone sends you an audio file, you'll have the choice to download it manually instead of it taking up space automatically. This small change can make a big difference in managing your storage and data usage. Plus, it gives you more control over the content you choose to keep. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them as needed. WhatsApp makes it easy to customize your experience to suit your preferences. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your clutter-free WhatsApp Web experience, and thanks for watching.